Good day, everyone. Learn how to clear history in Google Chrome app in any Android phone. So open the Google Chrome app, and at the top right corner where you have three dots, click on that, and then we need to click on this settings. The moment you click on that, you will find your email and address bar. Just below the address bar, you will find privacy and security, and we will click on that. And the very first thing will say delete browsing data, and we will click on that. Now, if you only want to clear the browsing history, you do not want to clear cookies or site data, save passwords, then you can simply uncheck both. So what I would recommend is to select the browsing history. If you want, you can clear the cookies and cache. So I'll just go with the browsing history and cache images and files, and I'll select from all time. It is up to you whether you want to. And then I'll simply click on clean and delete. So in this manner, we are deleting the browsing history in Google Chrome as well as the cache if you want to. And this is how you can optimize your Google Chrome. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.